Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for a small house planning in the dimensions of 20 feet by 30 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my clients. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. So guys, you can see here the width is 20 feet and the length is 30 feet. Here we have 2 bedrooms, 1 guest room, 1 living room, and the kitchen is also available in this house planning with staircase for the first floor. So let's get started, guys. If you see, guys, here we have 2 sides open. Left side and right side both are open for 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay, also this one is 2 feet and 6 inches, and back side is open only for 2 feet. Okay, next, guys, you can see this is front side to the road, which where you can see these are steps for the main entrance. Guys, you can see which width is 4 feet and 6 inches. When you enter by this main door or entrance, so guys, you can see here this is the stairs for the first floor. Okay, which width is 3 feet. This is also 3 feet. So here this is open space, but not open to sky. Okay, open space, so you can use for a different purpose. So here, guys, this is the window for this open to sky. Okay, open passage, and to the roadside we have the other window, so we have cross ventilation here, guys. You can see clearly. Next, guys, you can see here this is the window, and this is also the window. You can find the cross ventilation for this. This is a guest room. Size is 8 feet by 8 feet and 6 inches. We don't have any washroom for this, but under the staircase we have a general bath. Okay, you can use as for this bedroom or guest room. Next, guys, you can see here when you enter by this lobby, so this is a living room. Size is 10 feet by 10 feet and 6 inches. This is a large window to the open sky, which width is 8 feet. This one. Next, guys, you can see opposite of this living room, so this is a sitting area. You can see this is sitting area. Okay, next, guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of the kitchen is 7 feet by 6 feet, and this is the for the kitchen, etc. Okay, so this is the window to this open sky, which is 2 feet. Next, this is the first bedroom. Size of the bedroom is 9 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. This is attached bath. Size is 6 feet by 4 feet, and this is its ventilation or a window to the back side, and this is the window for this bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Size is 10 feet by 10 feet and 6 inches, and here this is a bath. Size is 6 feet by 4 feet. Here you can again find the cross ventilation because this is open sky. Let me make a small idea for you people. Guys, you can see 3 sides are open: back side, left side, and right side. But we don't have any car porch here or car parking for this house, and the size is 20 feet by 30 feet. So how to draw a small house planning? So the size is 20 by 30 feet. So this is the way, step by step, to draw a house plan in the dimensions of 20 by 30 feet. Hope this short video can help you. You can make a screenshot from this if you need. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.